week in the market. Saddam Sultan, what's good, bro? What's good? How's everyone doing there? Everyone chilling? Everyone had a good weekend? Everyone rested and relaxed? What are we thinking? How is everyone doing? Make sure my settings are right. Let me send this Zoom link out real quick. And then we'll get started. Thank you, Raze, for reminding me. I saw you in the morning, bro. I saw you reminding me. But yeah, nah, cool. So, chat, what we're going to do here is we are going to get into the weekly analysis so far. So, obviously, it is only Monday, but over the weekend, we did come up on Sunday night, and this morning, we did come up, grab some liquidity, and now the weekly is looking as if it does want to flip. Now, this is interesting, right? Because we did close bullish on the previous weekly, but it is weak bullish. So does that mean that we can continue to push down and use this as sort of us respecting this level potentially, right? The previous weekly did grab a lot of liquidity up here at these levels, which is, you know, a bit of an indication to me that we are going to continue downwards. Now on the daily as well, we did close bearish and we have got a lot of room to come down. The next sort of support level that we're looking at is around here at 2157. And yeah, we do have a lot of room to push down to that if we do come and close below some areas. Now on the 4 hour, I mean the 4 hour looks like it might want to flip to the upside, but it does have a top wick, so we'll see how that closes in 39 minutes. But yeah, that's going to be interesting, right? We have a level here, so if we close below that level, we should be good for a wick fill to continue down. The 1 hour as well is sort of at, well, the previous 1 hour closed at the level that we have rejected off of. So in terms of the 1 hour ranges, what are we going to be looking for? We are going to be looking for sells below this area here at 2165.56. A pretty clear level for us. And yeah, once we do sort of, you know, begin to close below there, we should have clean traffic all the way down to 2159 at least, I do believe. And that's going to give us, what's that? That's looking at like 60 pips. Yeah, something like that. So that's pretty decent, and that should excuse me, chat. That should be good for some sells. Now, in terms of buys, we're gonna have to wait for range 2 buys since we are bullish on the daily. What is that gonna look like? I believe range 1 is gonna be somewhere above here at 2168. Looking left, yeah, I believe that should be about right. Range 2 is gonna have to be somewhere up a little bit higher though. I do believe we're gonna need to come back above this level here at 2170. For a fill of this area up here. So yeah, anything above 2170 I will take for buys, and if we do fill this range, it's going to have to be above 2171. But yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at today, chat, on gold. Let me know if that analysis makes sense to you guys, and yeah, if you have any questions, put them in chat. Other than that, I hope you have a good morning, or I hope you've had a good morning, and let's get to it. Let's get locked in. Let me move on to EURUSD now. So Crypto Maniac, what's good, bro? What is good? XAU I trade EURUSD currently long. Yeah, I trade EURUSD too, so we're gonna do that analysis now. Currently long, yeah, okay. So the weekly on EURUSD, previous weekly closed bearish, and we closed below the most recent support level, which was all the way back up here. Now I do believe we have a pretty much clean traffic all the way down to this level here at 107,750. This weekly has now come up, grabbed the top wick, and it's looking to continue downwards. Well, no, it's not looking to continue downwards, but if it does flip, it will be looking to continue downwards. Sorry. In terms of the daily, the previous daily did close at a level, so that is something to keep in mind, right? This could be a rejection level for sure. However, overall, I am leaning towards more bearish on EURUSD than anything else. 4 hour as well has no bottom wick, so if we do come up and tap these levels, grab some liquidity up here and then flip, then that is another potential for us to drive down. But there is only 37 minutes left for that, so can we do that in that time? Probably not, right? Probably not. So let's see. In terms of the 1 hour levels, actually I'm going to drop to the 30 for the levels, just because I do believe we're creating some more sort of smaller time frame support at the moment. In terms of sells, what we're going to be looking at, I believe anything below this level here at 108,117 should bring us down to this bottom range here at 108, pretty much 108 flat. And that's what we'll look for in terms of sells for EURUSD. And then in terms of buys, I believe anything above 108, 220. Let me just look left real quick. Yeah, that should work for us. Let me just push this up a little bit. 108, 230 is what we're looking at in terms of range 1. And then range 2 buys are going to be up here above 108, 295, I do believe. Again, I need to just check left. Yeah, perfect. That makes sense. Great. Actually, let me just push this up a little bit to match these levels. Okay, 108, 300 flat is going to be our buys for EURUSD. Hopefully that makes sense, chat. Let me know if the analysis made sense to you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me them. And other than that, chat, that's the analysis for the day. Yeah, it was good, Tyler. It was good, Jan. How we doing, brother? Let me get these lines up here. I'm going to turn this music down a little bit as well, because it's loud in my ear. Cool. What's good, Jules? How's the interview, bro? Bro, it was crazy. I'm not going to lie. It was a really fun experience. It was a really, really fun experience. Met some really cool people. And, yeah, the podcast was sick. I'm not going to lie. proper good, really fun. We went for dinner afterwards, went and did some events, all that good stuff. It was yeah, it was great. I'm not gonna lie, very, very good. Hopefully it should come out soon. I've also got a vlog coming out soon of it, but I don't know when my videographer is going to be ready with that. Whenever it's edited, I'll release it the same day. So yeah, should be good. Should be good. But yeah, chat, how's everyone doing? Anyone catch any trades today? Anyone catch anything this morning? Let me know. Big 3 seconds, what's good, brother? Yeah, chat, drop a like for the analysis too. It's obviously all free. And I'm just doing it to try and provide value for you guys, try and help you lot out. Obviously, I myself too. I do enjoy being here, but yeah. So just drop a like for that. I appreciate it very much. What's up, Saxy? How we doing? What's good? What's good? You have a big rejection here off this level on EURUSD. A big rejection. Could start to form a little onion play here, but I'm not sure if I want to take that within this range. Still waiting? Yeah, all good. How's your weekend? Yeah, really good, bro. Really, really good. No trades, just in an ETH long from Saturday. Crazy, nice, good stuff. ETH's pumping, no? Or it was. Yeah, mad. Over the weekend. Nice. Cool, chat. Let's see. Gold's starting to come down here. If we do close below this level, that should be absolutely clean for trades. Even on the 30, we can take that. That's not a problem. But yeah, that should be real nice. So we're going to wait for that. And then what is going to be the case is we're going to be looking at the wick fill is going to be our break even, and the the next level down here at 21.59 is going to be our take profit. Potentially we could have runners if it plays out well, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. The wick fill here is still what, decent amount of pips, I believe. Yeah, that should be good actually. That should work. Morning, Dan LaBelle. Was good. How are you? How we doing? Chat, we've been growing like crazy as well. The Discord's at nearly 900 people. We're nearly at well, we just hit 1.2k on the YouTube, so that's crazy, absolutely crazy. I spoke about you guys in the podcast too, speaking about stream, and I was speaking about the community in the Discord that we've got. So yeah, man, it was great stuff. Oh yeah, chat, also, good reminder, if you haven't already, make sure you enter the giveaway, ! Giveaway. Enter that, 50k worth of funded accounts, so 10k funded accounts. Don't miss out. It's completely free. Maleko, bro, what's good? How are you? Little bit sick, mate. How are you? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Sorry to hear that. Get well soon. What's good, Baron? How are we doing? What is good? What is good? Spoke about beans on the pod. Nah, not about beans. I couldn't do that. Imagine. No, that's funny. Yeah, so this 15's coming down a little bit on Eurusd here. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, this is sells below, not sells below range 1. My bad. When will the giveaway be announced? What's good, bro? How are you, by the way? The giveaway is going to be announced either this week or next. So, either going to be... Actually, it's probably going to be next Monday. Robbie, what's good, bro? How are you? How's everything going with you? Hope you're doing well. Chat, look at this. So every candle that's come up to this level has rejected very heavily off that level. I was looking at an onion play to come down, but it didn't really form properly. But that means that if we do start to close below on the 1 hour in 29 minutes, then and the 4 hour actually, then yeah, we should be good to get some sales to continue downwards. Is that Nightbot you? No, it's a bot. It's a bot from my channel that puts the commands in that I want it to put in. So if you type any of the commands with an exclamation mark, it'll give you the information. For example, if you type exclamation mark funded, it will go tell you to buy an ACG funded account, code SG. Jules, it's going to be announced next Monday. Next Monday. Smooth. Yeah, I appreciate it. Telios, what's good, bro? Daily has a nice wick. Also about to flip. Should see a nice drive down soon. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That closure below will be another daily flip as well. And once we do break these lows, I don't see why we shouldn't drive down to fill the daily wick here at 21.57 at least. At least. But yeah, we've got to wait and see, chat. This is just about, you know, sitting there waiting for our entry and taking it. Zero commission on ACG, no worry to trade XAUUSD. Yeah. No, there's no commission on that, and there's it's good to trade gold on. It's good to trade gold on. Bro, with gold on the London session, do you wait for the Dre style of dawn? I don't know what that means, bro. Or it's best used on New York direction, range, and liquidity. Thanks. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? A 15-minute onion play on EuroUSD here. This could fill down the rest of the range, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not interested in it. Direction, range, liquidity, DRL. Okay, mad. I didn't realize you'd yeah. Yeah, I mean, pretty simple, right? This is what we wait for every time. Direction, range, liquidity, or direction, range, volume, right? But yeah, I mean, it all works. That's what you need when you get into any trade. Those are like the most simple principles, right? When you get into any trade, you need direction, you need range, and you need liquidity or volume. Same thing, right? But yeah, it's key. Absolutely key. Cool, chat. We have, what? We have 26 minutes here to this closure. What's good, Peter? Good morning. How are you, bro? How are you? Waiting for New York session, moving below 1.08. Yeah. All good, bro. Wait for New York session if that's what your plan says. Chat, if we can get this closure today, that'd be so hype. That'd be really nice, man. That'd be really nice. Such a clean trade. Such a clean trade. If he does it on this hourly, even better, right? Because we don't want to start making even more structure. You can do it on this hourly, close below, grab a top wick and come down. It might actually be off the rip, to be honest, chat. It might be off the rip. Have to see. We'll have to see, to be honest. But yeah, it might be. Cool. With NY, it's easier, isn't it? As Asian and London is done, and New York, you can play accordingly with volume, or am I wrong? Yeah, New York has higher volume. Always, which is good. It means you can play off the volume a lot easier. And when there's higher volume, it means that you're more likely to pick that direction and stick with it, right? So yeah, that's why you get more volume and direction in New York. Or more direction in New York because of the volume, sorry. Yo, what's good, GG? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Yeah, man. Yeah, I've been waking up a lot earlier recently. I don't know why. I just started waking up early. Every morning now I'm up at like 5 or 6. That's why, like, I think I saw Victory Settings say why so earlier in chat, because the stream started at like 7 or something. But yeah, I don't know, I've just been waking up hella early. Big universal changes, brother. Yeah, you're right. Full moon last night. We out there howling at the moon. But yeah, I don't know, chat. Like, it's not a bad thing, right? But I just naturally, my body clock wakes me up at like 5 or 6 now, which is good. Good, it's good, it's good. What's up, Josh? Good morning, bro. Get your pics, let his fingers ready. Always howling, yeah, good stuff, bro. Oh, that's mad though, Tyler. You have to tell me about that shit. I'm interested. So are you taking your trades or profits in New York, bro? Yeah, most of my trades are in New York, probably. I mean, I take some London trades too, but yeah. When does London session open? It depends what time zone you're in, right? I'll get a chart up. I think there's a chart to see it in all time zones. Brilliant. London market open all time zones. I swear I saw something where it was like, no matter what time zone you're in, it'll tell you when it opened. I mean, you can kind of see it like here, but yeah. Just Google it, man. Google when it is for you. Here you go. What's good, Marco? Yeah, nice little drive down here. Hopefully we get that flip. Well, we did just get the flip. That 15-minute onion play, wow, mad. But that played out. Yeah, so that's the volume kicking in there from the open. Let's see if we can come down and close below then. I don't really want to take the 15 because the 4 hours closing in 20 minutes. So if we take the 15, we might get caught in a pullback, and I don't really want to do that. But yeah. Oh, it was baby pips. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was it. My bad. Yeah, go to baby pips and have a look. What's good, level up? What's good, what's good, what's good? 4 hour. Yes, 4 hour. That's what I said. What I said, no? Is the giveaway today or did I miss it? Nah, it's not today. It's going to be later on. It's going to be later on in the week or next week. I think, to be honest, I'll start next week on Monday. And then we'll do like, you know, we'll do one account giveaway every stream. All good. Looking forward to that pod, G. Yeah, bro, it should be good. I'm excited for it. I'm very excited for it. Question is now, chat, do we drive before we get the closure? That's the issue. That is the issue, you know? Chat, that onion play was crazy. Look at that. $10 pips on Eurusd is kind of crazy. That's a lot. For a 6 pip stop, that's just a 1 to 2 nearly. A 1 to 2 nearly. Crazy, crazy. But yeah, chat, if we start to close below on Eurusd as well, we can take some sells. So we can take these sells here. But we have to wait for the 4 hour now, unfortunately. Check Eurusd, my TP hits now. Let's go. Good stuff, bro. GG's. GG's. Make sure you journal that trade then. Be non-emotional. All that good stuff. But yeah, chat, this closure is going to be very, very key, right? So, it's going to be very key. We have to wait for some closures here. The 4 hours closing in 20 minutes. And that means, you know, gold is likely to pull back at the end of the 4 hour close. So, one sec, chat, my bad. Cool. Cool, chat. Yeah, so 19 minutes here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's a lot of potential, so make sure we're locked in here. And yeah, if you don't understand what we're waiting for, let me know. Ask me some questions and we'll figure it out. And yeah, leave a like, chat. Leave a like before we get the before we get these closures. Let's go. Freddy, what's good, bro? How are you? What is good? What is good? Yo, what's good, Jordy? How you doing, brother? How you doing? Chat, we are pushing here, though. I'm not gonna lie, we are pushing. Hopefully, we don't fill the ranges before we get the closures. That is my one hope. Eurusd is looking like it might, to be honest. Yeah, it might do. So, let's see. But all we can do is wait now, chat. We'll be a little bit patient, lock it in here, and yeah, good stuff. If it forms, we'll take it, right? If it forms, we'll take it. I'm just trying to see. So I think the next major rejection area on gold is down around here. Let me see. Yeah, probably, to be honest. Bro, if it does fill the range but leave a decent wick, is that still part of the setup? It's a little bit difficult because obviously if it rejects quite hard, then you don't want to be taking that. But if it comes down like it is now and then leaves a wick, then yeah, we can take that and we can use the wick for as the break-even point for sure. For sure. But if I'm honest, I'm more looking at gold, to be honest. I think there's more potential on gold here. I think stops, what are stops looking like? They're going to be quite big now. Oh no, they're not too bad. They're not too bad. Stops are like 50 pips. That's okay. Provided that we don't absolutely just push right now. Shorted gold from 21.76, but it hit my B while I was asleep. That's tough, bro. That's tough, but it is what it is, man. It's part of the game. It's definitely part of the game, brother. Next time you'll catch those runners, I'm sure. Cool chat. Let's see. Looks like that gold doing what gold do on a Monday, fill the range. Now, we got some range down, right? We got some range down, so we do have potential for sure. 15's just opened. It looks like it's going to make a top wick. You could take this on the 15. The issue is it's closed at this level, and the 4-hour close is coming in 15 minutes, so I don't really want to be doing that, if I'm truly honest. But, I mean, price action does look good for us to come down here. We just have to hope that it doesn't fill it before we, you know. Shorted gold at 2164.92. Should I close it before the 4-hour close? It's up to you, bro. The 4-hour is going to need a top wick. You're about 3 pips up right now. You can either put your stop loss to break even and let it run. I'd probably do that, you know. Potential runners if it closes below. Yeah. $15's about to flip here, chat. How do I close 50% on MT5? You have to use the phone app. You have to use the iPhone app. But if you're popping like a 0.01 lot, then you probably can't close half. I would just go break even here. This looks like it could drive, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like it could drive. Right, SG, last question. I know I asked more, but saying low. I read a book about being a loser is better in trading. So once our mindset is to take an L and be okay with it, try to increase the win rate. Yeah, man. I just think, yeah, you need to be a good loser to be good in trading, you know? You need to get good at taking those losses. But I don't think you want to be, you know, focusing on taking losses. What it means is, yeah, being good at taking those losses and moving on from them, I think that's about it, if I'm truly honest. Double left click on the trade and it will open a tab where you can close any amount you want. Ah, that's smart, bro. I didn't know you could do that on the computer. That's good. Like, Donvo doesn't accept his losses and adds on. Is that a good mindset also? No, that's a different approach, right? That's a different approach. Don understands that when he's in the trade as a part of the wider structure, right? So until it does break that wider structure, his trade is still valid. And that means that, yeah, you can add positions whilst in drawdown, and it is still a good thing, right? And it's part of his strategy. I think what you might be talking about is sort of cutting losses early. If you are like a mega scalper, right, and you're trying to get out of positions quickly, then yeah, you need to cut your losses early. But if taking trades like Don, and it works for Don, right? Obviously, because he's very profitable. But the point is, if he's taking a trade as a part of the wider range, then he's okay to leave those positions running and add positions in drawdown. But I think you've read something about, you know, closing losses early and all that stuff, which is okay, it's good, but there's just different schools of thought to this. There's different approaches to the market. You just have to find what works for you. Mad, you know. Gold's pushing back up here. How are we gonna actually even close below? That's interesting, chat. That is interesting. Let's see. Looking on the 4 hour on EURUSD quickly here, just to see what structure we've got to the left hand side. I'm not sure. Yeah, we have some levels here that we've tapped into, so this is an issue now, right? We have some levels that we've now tapped into, so we almost need to move our zones down for the sells, because now that we've tapped into these levels and grabbed liquidity off of them and not close below, that's an indication that we're rejecting off of them rather than an indication that we're continuing to come down. So yeah, in terms of gold, literally all we need to wait for now is this closure below. It's very key here. Fair enough, bro. What works for you, bro? Like adding based on bigger market structure or taking small and get in again? No, I never take a small L and get in again. If I'm in a loss and it looks like it's going down, most of the time I'll wait and see if there's some serious closures against us. For example, if we close back into the range, then yeah, sometimes I'll cut my losses. Otherwise, when we get back to break even, normally I close full. And that's my way of mitigating risk. That's my way of mitigating that risk for sure. Mohammed Saddam Sultan, what's good? What best area to take profits now? We're looking at somewhere down here at 2159, 2160-ish levels. At SG, what lot size would you use for a 700 USD account? I don't use fixed lots, bro. I use variable risk. So pick whatever percentage you want to risk and then use a lot size calculator. But I'm looking at, like, you know, you're probably looking at somewhere between 1 to 5% risk on a smaller account, and then yeah, do it that way, I'd say. Ranging and pullback, typical Monday. Yeah, we'll see, right? We'll see. What we need here now, chat, is a closure below, and then we need a top wick. And then if we can grab that, that'd be great. That would be absolutely great for us to continue down. What's good, John? How are you, bro? What's good? What's good? I'm managing someone's account from the UK. There is a difference on the 4-hour candle wicks and closure time. Depends if you're on a different broker, then sometimes the brokerages have different, you know, closing accounts and all that stuff. Closing accounts? I mean closing times, sorry. Yeah, closing times. As well as that on futures too. But just stick to the Xauusd chart. I think you'll be safe. Is your safest bet, if I'm truly honest. But yeah, if you look at stuff like this, right? If we go to the 4-hour on Forex, right, on Xauusd, the 4-hour closes in 7 minutes, but on futures it closes in 1 hour and 16 minutes. Why would it be 1 hour and 16 minutes? I was expecting 1 hour and 7 minutes, but yeah. Oh, it's delayed. Okay, yeah. Yeah, fine. Thoughts on match trader / C trader? I've never ever heard of match trader, I'm not gonna lie. C trader I used a bit, it's alright. It's alright. It just comes down to personal preference, right? It's literally just personal preference. So if you know, if you prefer MT5 like me, then use MT5. If you prefer C trader, use C trader. Oh, chat, we're pushing here. Crazy. So this 15 flipped again. This should drive down, chat, to be honest, but we're gonna wait 5 minutes for the 4-hour close. What I'm looking for is a nice top wick. I can't tell you what area into because I'm not particularly sure. Maybe somewhere around 2166. Somewhere around there would be great. Stops are looking to be honest, we might have to go for stops above the 4-hour high, if I'm truly honest. Because it is a 4-hour closure, right? The 4-hour top wick, for example, could come up to here and then grab our stops and then flip down. Whereas if we use the 4-hour high, we're gonna have a lot more potential and a lot more just a lot safer essentially. MT5 alpha capital is better than C trader or match trader, etc. Yeah, it's just, that's what I prefer, but again, it's just personal preference, right? Some people prefer C trader, some people prefer trading on TradingView, is what it is. Let's see, chat. 4 minutes here. Lock it in a little bit. Lock it in. What about weekly flip from 2161 to 2150? First top wick happened and now breaking the daily lows. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're looking to get ourselves into that position, right? The weekly has now flipped, and after grabbing a top wick, and the previous weekly grabbing a massive top wick. So there is a lot of liquidity for us to come down, I do believe. We just need to get the entry, right? That's all we're looking for. We're just waiting for the entry. If we do come up first without a bottom wick and tap into sort of this area here around 2167, I will take a wick entry. But we have to come up literally no bottom wick whatsoever. I'll take the wick entry and then we'll be looking for the flip. That'll give us a better, you know, stops. That'll give us better stops. But it's quite far away, right? That's going to be a decently sized top wick, and oh no, it's only 25 pips actually. But the bottom, what was I going to say? Gold has recently been making bottom wicks first, so it could be a little bit tough. But we'll see what happens here in 3 minutes when the candle opens up. We'll see. But a lot of potential here, chat, so stay locked in. How can I get your giveaway? Yeah, Bez just sent the link in. Just click on that link and then, yeah, join that. Can you share your chart in chat? Having a problem with in Zoom. Yeah, sure, wait. Oh, chat, that's crazy. Are we going to close? Are we actually going to close, close below or not? This is interesting. What's Eurusd doing too? Big rejection. That is interesting, chat. I'm not going to lie. Big rejection here off the 5. Are we even going to close below? What is gold playing at? This is kind of crazy, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I did not expect this, if I'm truly honest. I did not expect this rejection. Fair enough, though. I mean, previously we did close above, so it does make sense, right? We've just closed above and grabbed liquidity, essentially. But everything on the higher time frame is suggesting that we should come down. So, yeah, it's just an interesting one to be, you know, for sure. God, you teasing me? Yeah, facts. Teasing me? It's a typical Monday, getting used to it. Yeah, nah, sure. Typical gold at the moment, to be honest. Let's see, chat. 40 seconds here. Doesn't look like we're going to close below, if I'm truly honest. Does not look like we're going to close below. Very interesting. I'd be surprised if gold is Yeah, trust me. Gold, there's a very high likelihood here that we just close respecting and then come down to drive. It's very possible. I think that might happen. I'm not going to lie. So that's fine. Eurusd also rejected quite heavily off the level. So we are going to have to wait a little bit longer here, if I'm honest, chat. Yeah, chat, we closed above. So we closed above here. Absolutely nothing I can do at this very moment. But we'll see. The 4-hour did close, you know, quite strongly bearish. So, I mean, essentially it should fill this wick now, but doesn't mean we can get a position, right? We're going to have to wait for the 30 at least, in my opinion. But that's okay, chat. That's okay. We've got time. Slow sideways Monday. Yeah, trust me. Feel like it will happen. US session. Yeah, it can do. It can do. But it can also happen, you know, we have time. London session's only just opened, right? So we have time for sure. What's good, Hugo? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah, chat. Again, remember, it's Monday, right? So it's Monday. We're not trying to force any trades at the start of this week. Trying to, you know, stick to the plan. Stay accountable, all that good stuff. You know the rules yourself, chat. You know the rules. What's everyone training today at the gym, chat? What's everyone training today? Anyone got a good day? It's Monday, right? I might start with legs, you know? Might start the week off with some legs. We dropping frames or what's going on? When are the giveaways today? I'm working today, so we'll keep the stream in the background, just looking sporadically. Nah, bro, the giveaways are not this week. It's going to be next week. I need to give some more people some time to enter, right? So we'll do it. We'll do it next week. Rest day for me, nice. Chest day, good. Shoulder sesh. Yeah, I might do shoulders too, Hugo. I'm not gonna lie. Shoulders sounds good. Yeah, we're starting to push here. We are starting to push here. We haven't had a closure yet below the range on the 30 minutes. So if we do start to come and close down below, we'll look for we'll look for something on the 30, but we have to keep in mind that we have rejected off these areas, you know, 4 times now. So we do need those closures. We can't be taking any impulse entries or anything like that. Give me that turtle shell shoulder. Yeah, exactly that. Boulder shoulders, right? Boulder shoulders. The chat, we seem to just be rejecting off this level over and over again, which I'm not sure. Not sure why. Well, I mean, it shows that it's a strong level, right? It's an indicator that it is a strong level. But, yeah. We do need to close below it before we take anything, right? Eurusd as well is just sat in the range at the minute. Not much we can do on that pair. Gold just being naughty, yeah, nah. I feel you. But listen, chat. We've got the whole week, right? Stay disciplined. You took a trade already? Maybe take the day off. You didn't. Wait for the right setup to come and take it, right? Patience is key. Patience is key. Small lots for Monday trading. Yeah, you can do that if you want. I don't change my risk depending on what day it is because I don't think it really matters. But you can do that for sure. I might start looking at US 30 too. Raise has sort of got me into this this US 30 mood. It looks quite nice, to be honest. So obviously I'm not going to trade it in this session because it only really moves in New York session. But I might start trading it and put it in, you know, in the signals or something like that. So yeah, Monday is always like this. Nah, I feel you. Good excuse to over leverage. No. Never over leverage. Learned all from Don, watching every stream, and earlier I watched 1,000 hours of content on YouTube. Now addicted. Do you think or suggest avoiding more learning? No, you can never learn too much, right? You can never learn too much. Yeah, no, there's definitely nothing wrong with that. Just try not to, you know, get yourself confused or anything like that. But no, it's always good to try and keep, you know, improving and keep learning more. Cool, chat. So we're coming up on a 15-minute close here in 7 minutes. What I'd probably be looking for now in terms of EURUSD is I'd probably look for, since we rejected so hard, maybe to come and close up above the next levels. If we do start to come and close up here, that'd be an indication that market structure is starting to shift. If not, then we'll need to look for closures below this level down here again, which is actually the 4-hour level. since we rejected off of it quite heavily. But yeah, now in terms of gold as well, what we're going to be looking for is, to be honest with you, just a 30 closure below. 30 closure below the level will be good. That's all I'll need. And if in terms of buys, if we do start to come up, still going to be the same place, I do believe. Even though we have grabbed a lot of liquidity to the downside, the overall bias for the day and the week is bearish. So that's what we'll be looking for, chat. What we'll be looking for. I feel like indices move very clean. Yeah, they look like they do, right? They look like they move very, very clean. Take a nap on Asian/London session, normal Monday. I feel you. Very nice you finally got convinced. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Harry, how did your meeting go last week? Yeah, no, it went well. Thank you. It went very well. Did you tell someone about that Potter thing in the podcast? No chance. Absolutely no chance. No chat, I didn't. Definitely not. No, definitely not. Cool chat. We're coming back down below, but we do need these closures, like I said. So at the minute, it's just a patience game. Just a patience game. Yeah. What do you think fundamentals moves the markets or all technicals? For me, it looks all technicals this week from this weekly point of view. Now, fundamentals are huge. Fundamentals are huge. I was talking to someone at the ACG dinner. Well, I was talking to one of the guys from ACG, Planty. He's a very good guy, but he's a fundamentals guy, and he was telling me about all of this stuff and how big fundamentals actually affect the market. So fundamentals is definitely something that I want to get into very, very shortly. For sure. Where would you begin learning about fundamentals, etc.? Brother, I don't know. I'm not the best at fundamentals either, so I need to learn it myself as well. Maybe I'll document my journey on that because I do not know much about fundamentals. I know basic stuff. Whoa. Look at this volume. Comes in out of nowhere. If we do come down and break the daily lows, it should continue to push down, but baby pips have a huge course. That's good, yeah. That's good. Baby pips is cool. And it's free, yeah, that's good. Yes, this would be a nice series. Now that could be cool as well, yeah. Because chat, I'm literally the same as, well, you guys probably know more about me about some things, right? But I know the basics of the market and you know, basic news stuff. But in terms of reading, you know, CPI news and all that stuff, nah, I don't know anything. So something I need to look into for sure. EURUSD short or long? Neither at the minute. We're sat in the range, so neither. I'm not looking to trade at all at the minute. On EURUSD, that is. Yeah, I'm just waiting for these closures on gold. So, like I said, if we do get these closures, on the 30, it's going to have to be below 2164. If it does come to the 1 hour at 10 o'clock, then it'll be just, you know, below where we have the level now. But other than that, EURUSD is just sat in the range, if I'm truly honest. We need to either break out above here and break some market structure, or we need to come down below. But yeah. Good, Eugene. What's good, what's good? Have you always had the 2 in your name? Have I just got like a, what's that thing called? The, not the butterfly effect, what's it called? When you think things are different and then they're not from the past. Mandela effect, that's what it is. Yeah, has Eugene always had the 2 in his name? My rugby number. Oh, crazy. So you're a hooker. The rugby term, chat, not anything else. Always had the 2. Mad. Maybe I'm just blind then. That gold's pushing here. See, we've got 14 minutes to this 30 closure. It could be quite a long time, but not much we can do about it. What's good, Aditya? What's good, what's good, what's good? 15 open bottom work, yeah. Tough. How was the pod, G? Bro, it was really good. It was a great experience. It was a great experience, I'm not gonna lie. That's sick, man. No, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's see though, chat. Let's see. It looks like we might reject off here. It might be something that we have to wait for New York for. It might be waiting to make the big move of the day in New York. We'll see though. I mean, look, the daily's bearish. Once that daily does break its own lows, price action does dictate that we should come down, but we'll see. I was after with all the new faces. Yeah, they were really nice people, bro. Really nice people. When is it coming out? I'm not sure. Maybe like sometime this month, I think. Something like that. They said like they'd start bringing them out in like 3 weeks. So obviously there's like 3 other people as well as me. So there's me plus 3 more people. So I might be last. I might be first. Who knows? And on which channel? It'll be on ACG's channel, I think. But I'll share the link when it comes out. Yeah, I'll share the link for sure. Alright, bro. I haven't got trader friends to tag to enter the giveaway. Nah, all good. Just tag, I don't know. Tag some random people. Who cares? Ten minutes chat to this 30 closure. If we don't close below on the 30, I might have to call it an early stream, I'm not gonna lie, because I have some things to do, but I think we might just keep rejecting, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see though, we'll see. 10 minutes to this closure. 10 minutes. On Friday, March 15th, same level, I marked 67 for sell below. But after fake out from resistance level, it closes respectively at 67 but dropped to 21.47. What about closing at the level after a fake out? Yeah, I mean, yeah. We need to just close below here, if I'm truly honest. Like, we don't need the fake out part. We don't need that yet, you know. Did you find the new game? Nah, not yet. We're going to play the Pixels daily one, and then I'll find the new one. Someone's got to send me one. Send me them in the Discord. And then we'll take a look. You are so patient. I haven't seen you take a trade since I started watching your streams. Yeah, bro. It's part of the game, right? It's part of the game. But that's why we've won 100% of the trades we've taken on stream, right? Comes with you know, comes with its benefits. Obviously, like, it was getting trades more often on stream, maybe I'd get more viewers or whatever, but that's not how I trade, so it's not what I'm trying to do. Not what I'm trying to do. We've come and grabbed a huge top wick and now flipping bearish on the daily. No news. Surely this is direction for the rest of the day to fill the previous daily wick down. Yeah, that's what we're looking for, but at the same point, we can't just take a position randomly off the daily because that's not how we trade. So we need to wait for these closures. And we are rejecting quite heavily off this area, so it's looking as if it doesn't really want to break the daily lows right now. I think it will do today, but I'm not sure when. Right, that's the problem that we have. But yeah. Yawn. But yeah, chat, this 1 hour is starting to flip now, which is interesting. This 30's, oh, it's a 30 as well, but yeah, it's starting to flip. So it's an indication that we might come up. I don't think we're going to close below on the 30, so we'll move the hourly level back to where it was. We moved it down just to the 30. But yeah. We'll see. Like closing above 2170 and or 2172, then closing inside or 2160 level, fake out. Yeah, I mean, if that happens, you could probably take the trade, right? Trying to mirror, I don't know, move here or whatever it is. When was that? This one, yeah. Yeah, you could take that, definitely. But, we have to wait for that to be formed, right? Essentially, it's the same thing as just waiting for a closure below. If it comes up here first and then closes below, same thing. SGM, what's good, bro? Any idea why prop firms change from meta platforms to trade on DX Trade? It's only the US firms, yeah. So it's like EFT. Who else? I don't know. FTMO, people like that. But it's because MetaTrader, or MetaQuotes as the company is called, they started to crack down on the people not having the proper regulations, and all of these firms didn't have the correct regulations. So yeah. My funded had to get migrated over the weekend. Mad. What company was that? What company was that? Chat, whilst we're waiting, obviously we have 6 minutes to wait for this 30 close. Whilst we're waiting, please feel free to drop a like. It's obviously free. If you can get to 75 likes, that'd be incredible. I really appreciate it very, very much. But yeah, thanks for all coming out this morning. And you're here on a Monday morning, which is great. You know, you're dedicated, ready to go. So be proud of yourselves for that one. W chat, yeah, for real. Good, Dion. How we doing, bro? How are we doing? Chat. I think we might have to call it here, you know. I think it might be picked at this time. We've got no volume. And it doesn't look like it's picking up anytime soon. Doesn't look like it's picking up anytime soon. So we'll wait for this 30 closure, see what happens, see if we get a little bit more volume, but if not, we might have to be a picks letters and dip kind of day. Great, brother, and you? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Someone tag the SG's Twitter link. The SG, crazy. Just do exclamation mark giveaway, or you can do exclamation mark Twitter. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call it here. Range and hard, and there's not enough volume, so we'll play some picks letters real quick, and then we'll jump off. If you boys do want to dip before the games, please make sure to drop a like before you do leave. That would be much appreciated. But yeah, let's play the daily word. Why not? Why not? I need your help in chat. I need your help. W screen, brother. Nah, I appreciate it, Dion. Appreciate it. Help me out here, chat. Where's Josh? And yeah, where's Tootie and Josh? Those ones, they're the clutch ones. What do we think, chat? What do we think? I might guess that, you know. Oh. Don't know why I had a feeling for that. Yeah, see you in a bit, Jordy. Peace out, bro. What could this be? I've got no clue what this word is, chat. Thank you, Jordy. Peace out, brother. Have a good one. Easy, chat. Easy. We absolutely stormed that one. Absolutely stormed that one. Should we figure out how to play this one, chat, or nah? In plus mode, pixels are coloured in rows or columns according to arrows. With every entered word, more rows or columns. In pro mode, only one row or column will be coloured. What? What does this even mean? What are these arrows, chat? I can't figure it out. I think it like rotates it or something. I don't even know. Do not even know. Ready is the guess from Spion. That's not bad. Give it a go. Right, so now... What? Now it's the rows that are being done on this one. That's mad. Kind of crazy. Press the arrows. Nah, you can't press them. That'd be mad. Nah. Nah. What are we looking at here, chat? What's this word? Real. I fell asleep for a while, lol. What's that? It's just a game we play at the end of the stream, brother. But I don't know what the word is. Okay, wait, so it's real. What is this word? Realm? Oh, that's a good guess, Raze. Oh, Eugene guessed it too, my bad. Yeah, smashed it. I don't know what this blood clout arrows game is, but GG's, chat. GG's. Alright, cool, chat. Well, that is going to do it for today. I'm going to call it there, if I'm truly honest. Appreciate you all for coming out. It means a lot. Blood clot. Yeah, man. But I appreciate you all for coming out. Same time tomorrow. Thank you all very, very much. Leave a like and subscribe if you are new. And other than that, chat, have a great day. Trade responsibly, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.
Oh yeah. Travis Scott, Tugger, baby. I go for, I call your whore, just to fucking show up. I just went got my door, pull it off and I'm gone. Then I go up before, then I roll up, then I'm calling your whore. Like, pick up the phone, baby. Like, I know you're home, baby. It's lit, I'm in the zone, baby. Short up, I just put up before, baby. Yeah. Never will I cheat on you. Never will I commit treason. Blowing a bag on you. You all of that for no reason. I'ma pull up in Merc 2. Hitting the block and I'm bleeding. Throwing and rolling on you. I like the way it be freezing. Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. It's lit, I'm in the zone, baby. Short up, I just put up before, baby. Yeah. Before that, at the bitch. Lean like my motherfucking granny did. Super Bowl ring with big body biz. I stacked it up, now I'm just better living. Got screws in my mouth, I'm just prepping it. I'm fucking this cash, I'm not celibate. I'm packing it out like a reverend. I need all this cash, I got hella king. I'ma play dumb and get left in the middle. Back the fuck up, you too little. Hit him with 3 like a Miller. I don't talk to no man in the middle. I don't talk to no man, I'm just kidding. But I did pay my sister tuition. I felt lucky I should play the lottery. Walking out with it like Sunday listen. Mama told me I'm her brightest star. Mama told me don't hate on the law. Because everybody got a job. Because everybody won't be a star. Real shit. Please believe every motherfucker around here won't be a part. She gon' do anything in her power to be with your boy. cheat on you. Never will I.
Thank you very much for coming out, chat. I appreciate every single one of you. Your support means the world to me. And yeah, chat, same time tomorrow. Appreciate you all. Peace out. Have a good one.
Pick up the phone, Macaulay cooking, baby, I'm alone. I thought I was right, then I had to man up, I was wrong. I hate when we fight, she in love with the pipe. I draped her up in ice, I put my phone on ice. Birds in the trap.